I think most of the people who come to SISG already come with a sense of what it's about. I personally know 2 or 3 of my former trainees whose partners have said to me that this was a life-changing experience for them. They would not have gone into the field of statistical quantitative genetics without attending the institute.
The students we get coming mainly come because they've heard about it from fellow students or from their own faculty. We're now well into our 3rd generation. We've got students who come, whose advisor came, whose advisor came.
I think what's unique about the summer institutes in statistical genetics is the breadth of topics that we cover. Being able to move from the basics to very advanced methods is not something that you can see at any other institutes that I'm aware of. What's really, really good for the students is they get an introduction. They know where to go for more advanced training once they've done what they do with us. They're interacting with students who have different perspectives in person.
We're targeting primarily graduate students. They're at the beginning of their graduate career, beginning to face data, wanting to interpret the data with current techniques. One of the benefits from having students here is that they meet their future peers. They will meet other students with whom they'll interact during their whole careers after here.
And one of the things that we're finding is that the networking that produces is really strong as well. It's not just national, but we're very proud of the fact that we have students from 8 different countries. And just seeing students from all walks of life.
People from our institute has been coming to these courses for years and years and years. And every time my colleagues come back, they have just loved it.
I've tried to learn some of this material on my own in the past, and it's very easy to get lost. So I have found these modules to be very well structured, where they provide the essentials. They help me get to speed with the fundamentals.
As soon as I get back to Texas, I'm gonna tell my PI that every new grad student who comes through our lab has to come to this at least once.
In the last 29 years, we have reached, I think, most students in this country who have a statistical component to their genetic research. We're only a small part of their graduate training, but it's an important part. So our legacy is in the students we train and in their contributions to our science.